summer break, a time for relaxation, for fun, for exploring new interests. It's a season where the days are long, the sun is bright, and the opportunities for adventure are endless. But amidst all the excitement, there's also a unique chance to continue learning in a way that feels different from the regular school year. But what if learning could be part of that fun? Imagine combining the joy of summer with the thrill of discovering something new. Whether it's through hands-on experiments, creative projects, or interactive workshops, learning can be an exciting part of the summer experience. Summer enrichment programs offer just that. A chance to keep minds engaged while embracing the spirit of summer. These programs are designed to blend education with enjoyment, ensuring that students remain intellectually stimulated while having a great time. These programs go beyond the traditional classroom, offering unique opportunities for growth. From arts and crafts to science and technology, the range of activities available is vast and varied, catering to different interests and passions. They help students discover hidden talents and passions. Whether it's through music, art, drama, or sports, these programs provide a platform for students to explore and develop skills they might not have the chance to during the regular school year. They are an investment in a brighter future. By participating in these programs, students not only gain knowledge, but also build confidence, resilience, and a love for lifelong learning. Summer enrichment programs come in all shapes and sizes. From day camps to residential programs, from local community centers to prestigious institutions, there's something for everyone. There are programs for academic advancement, for artistic expression, and for developing leadership skills. Whether you're looking to get ahead in math, explore your artistic side, or build your leadership abilities, there's a program tailored to your needs. And for developing leadership skills, these programs often include team-building activities, public speaking opportunities, and projects that encourage students to take initiative and lead. Whatever your interest, there is likely a program out there for you. The variety of options ensures that every student can find something that excites and motivates them. These programs offer the chance to meet new people and make lasting friendships. The social aspect of summer enrichment is just as important as the educational one, providing a supportive environment where students can connect with peers who share similar interests. They are a place to learn, to grow, and to have fun, all at the same time. Summer enrichment programs are more than just a way to pass the time. They're a gateway to new experiences, new knowledge, and new friendships that can last a lifetime. Beyond the books, academic adventures await. The world of learning is vast and full of opportunities that extend far beyond the classroom walls. It's a journey that takes students from the pages of their textbooks to real-world experiences that ignite their curiosity and passion for knowledge. Summer often means a break from textbooks, but it doesn't mean a break from learning. In fact, summer is the perfect time to explore new interests and dive deeper into subjects that spark your curiosity. Learning doesn't have to stop when the school year ends. With the advent of online courses and summer programs, students can continue their educational journey from anywhere. Summer enrichment programs provide a unique opportunity to dive deeper into academic subjects. These programs are designed to challenge students and help them discover new passions. Imagine exploring the world of robotics, where you can build and program your own robots, ancient history, uncovering the secrets of past civilizations, and understanding how they have shaped our world today. These programs make learning fun and exciting, turning education into an adventure that students look forward to every day. Some programs focus on strengthening core subjects like math and science, providing students with the skills they need to excel in these critical areas. Others offer advanced coursework for high school students, preparing them for the challenges of college and beyond. Many programs incorporate STEM activities, blending science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics to create a well-rounded educational experience. These hands-on projects bring learning to life, allowing students to apply what they've learned in practical, real-world situations. They spark curiosity and encourage exploration, inspiring students to ask questions and seek out answers. Summer enrichment programs help students get ahead, giving them a competitive edge and boosting their confidence. They also foster a lifelong love of learning, encouraging students to see education as a continuous, enjoyable journey. Skills for life. Growing beyond the classroom. Education is more than just textbooks and exams. It's also about developing essential life skills. Summer enrichment programs recognize this. They provide a platform for students to hone their communication, teamwork, and problem-solving abilities. These skills are essential for success in all aspects of life. Through group projects and interactive workshops, students learn to collaborate effectively. They practice active listening and learn to articulate their ideas clearly. Public speaking opportunities help students build confidence. They learn to present themselves with poise and conviction. These programs equip students with the tools to navigate the complexities of life. Taking the lead, discovering your inner leader. Leadership isn't about bossing people around. It's about inspiring others, motivating teams, and working towards a common goal. Summer enrichment programs offer numerous opportunities for students to step into leadership roles. These experiences help students discover their inner leader. Whether it's leading a group project, mentoring younger students, or organizing a community service initiative, these experiences build valuable leadership skills. Students learn to delegate tasks, make decisions, and resolve conflicts effectively. They develop a sense of responsibility and accountability. These programs empower students to become effective leaders in their schools and communities. Section 5, Creativity Unleashed, Exploring Your Passions. Summer enrichment programs are a playground for creativity. They provide a safe and supportive environment for students to explore their artistic sides. Whether it's painting, music, dance, or theater, there's something for everyone. These programs nurture creativity and encourage self-expression. Through workshops and masterclasses, students learn from experienced artists and mentors. They gain new skills and techniques. They are encouraged to think outside the box and experiment with different art forms. These programs help students discover hidden talents and passions. They provide a platform for self-discovery and artistic exploration. Section 6, Building Bridges, Mentors and Networks. Summer enrichment programs offer more than just academic and personal growth. They provide a valuable opportunity for students to connect with professionals in their fields of interest. Through workshops, guest lectures, and networking events, students gain insights into different career paths. These interactions can be invaluable in shaping career aspirations. They provide real-world context to classroom learning. Many programs also offer mentorship opportunities. Students are paired with professionals who provide guidance and support. These mentors can offer valuable advice on college applications, career choices, and personal development. Section 7, Making a Difference, Community and You. Summer enrichment programs often emphasize the importance of giving back to the community. Many programs incorporate service learning projects. These projects allow students to apply their skills and knowledge to real-world issues. They might volunteer at a local soup kitchen, organize a clothing drive, or participate in environmental cleanup efforts. These experiences foster a sense of empathy and social responsibility. They teach students the importance of civic engagement. Students learn that even small actions can make a big difference. They develop a deeper understanding of the challenges facing their communities. Section 8, A Brighter Future, College and Beyond. In today's competitive academic landscape, a strong college application is essential. Summer enrichment programs can significantly enhance a student's profile. Colleges and universities are looking for well-rounded individuals with diverse experiences. Participation in these programs demonstrates initiative, a thirst for knowledge, and a commitment to personal growth. These experiences provide valuable talking points for college essays and interviews. They showcase a student's passions and interests beyond the classroom. Section 9. Investing in yourself. The gift of summer enrichment. Summer enrichment programs are an investment in a student's future. These programs offer a unique opportunity to delve deeper into subjects of interest, explore new fields, and develop skills that are not typically covered in the regular school curriculum. They provide a unique blend of academic enrichment, personal growth, and social responsibility. Whether it's through hands-on experiments in a lab, engaging in team-building exercises, or participating in community service projects, students gain invaluable experiences. These programs ignite passions, build confidence, and open doors to new opportunities. Presenting research, receiving awards, and being recognized for achievements can be incredibly motivating and affirming for young minds. These programs are not just about filling the summer months, they are about exploring creativity, discovering new interests, and fostering a love for learning that extends beyond the classroom. They are about investing in a brighter future. The skills and knowledge gained can pave the way for academic success and open doors to higher education opportunities. They are about empowering students to become lifelong learners, compassionate leaders, and engaged citizens. Through volunteering and leadership activities, students learn the importance of giving back and leading with empathy. If you have the opportunity to participate in a summer enrichment program, seize it. You won't regret it. The excitement of preparing for these programs is just the beginning of an unforgettable journey. The experiences you gain and the connections you make will last a lifetime. Friendships formed, networks built, and memories created during these programs are invaluable and will stay with you.